guys, a very good morning to all of you. So we are at the location at the Spirit Mountain, and I didn't get time to film in the morning when I woke up because we had to check out from the room. So here we are, you can see the lift there and people are snowboarding. I have my coffee with me, and we are gonna go inside, and we are going to ski. But the thing is, like, we have never skied before, we don't have any idea, so I don't know how we're going to do. And plus we have taken the lift to go on top of the mountain, so it's kind of scary, but I'm excited. So let's just go inside and see what is going on. And before going inside, let me just show you how people are skiing and enjoying here. So here people are actually snowboarding, and you can see the lift. This is the lift that takes people on the higher level, like the higher side of the mountain. You can see how well they're doing. Oh my god, it's so good. So let's go inside and see what is the situation, because we don't know if we can do this. And yesterday it snowed a lot, like I showed you in my last video. So it is a good weather, perfect for skiing and snowboarding. So I think that's why we see too many people here. I mean, this is a very good spot, like a hot spot, you can say. But other than that, also because of the weather, there are lots of people here. So we are inside. I just need to sanitize before I go to the front desk for the tickets. And we have actually already purchased the ticket online yesterday, because it was showing that we have to get the tickets online. And also we didn't wanted to take a chance because of the weather. We knew that it's gonna be crowded here, and also we didn't know if we'll get the ticket today. Plus we have to leave today, we will be going back to Chicago today, so just wanted to be on the safe side and purchase the ticket before coming here. And let me show you the view from here. It was looking gorgeous. I am in love with this view. I loved it so much. I love this type of views, and I was so excited to ride the lift to go on the higher area of the mountain, because I knew that from the lift it's gonna look amazing, amazing. So everyone at the front desk asking all the questions. We have a lot of questions we are asking, because we are very confused. We don't know if we should go take the lift and go to the higher area, or just ski here, because this is going to be the first time and we are not trained. Let me show you how it looks from here. Here it is. So you can see here the kids are also playing. This is the area for the kids, and then there is the other area on the left side where you can for adults to ski. And this is actually a smaller area compared to the one that is on top of the mountain. And so we are still deciding, because we don't know if it's a good idea to go to the higher area and ski from there, because from there we will have to ski down. There's no other option, and here is just like it's nothing. And I would really wanted to go for the upper area, but I think like it's gonna be scary. So we are deciding that we will just try it here for an hour, and then we will go to the upper area when we feel a little bit comfortable. And I'm just thinking how hard it is going to be. I mean, I don't know. So this area is called bunny area, which is for beginners and kids. And here is the lift, which is taking people to the higher part of the mountain. And here is the snowboarding area, which I showed you from the outside, the first thing that we saw when we came here. So yeah, we are asking a lot of questions to the front desk, and let's see what we are going to do. Snow is already started. Wearing this one, ready to, we are ready.
Okay, 2:30.
So it took us 1.5 hours to decide, and we have decided to go to the bunny hill first and then we'll see. Ready to ski. Yeah, it's snowing outside. So Azim Bhai and I really want to take the lift and go to the higher part of this mountain. But since we are very new, we don't have any experience. We are going to the bunny hill first, and then there we will ski for a while. And once we feel comfortable, we're gonna go to the top part. कैसा लग रहा है अजीम भाई स्नो में?
एकदम मस्त जबरदस्त.
It's snowing. So we are going towards the Bunny Hill area, and we have to get this equipments first. All these ski equipments. I forgot what they call, like pull, I think, and the ski, and then the ski boots. So we are renting that. So first we have to go and get those first, and then we are good to go to this skiing. We were very excited. I don't know. This is the first time we are going to do it. I don't know how hard this is going to be. It's snowing, so it's gonna be more beautiful. And here I'm trying to capture one of these snowflakes. I capture snowflakes every year, a beautiful one, and this time I haven't done it yet, so I just thought to capture one, but I don't think I'm doing a good job. Really, that is how you go up.
Oh हाँ जो लोग दिख रहे थे.
And here Azim Bhai is saying how he's going to walk with the ski boots on. So we are here at the rental space area, and we'll get the helmets, the boots, the ski, the pole, and all the other stuff. I don't know what else we have to get. So let's see. Got my snow boots. So happy. बोल इसमें चलने में वियर्ड लग रहा है.
But लूज के लिए तो अच्छा है. Yeah. You're all set. Okay.
Getting my skates, not the skates, like skiing thing right here.
Swiftly a little bit.
It's so hard to walk. I feel like I'm walking in the moon. So I got my ski thing and the pole. Azim Bhai also got it.
I'm not liking it.
To watch the next part, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.